Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video about the attribute eyedropper. And this would be pretty significant if you do drop shadow. As a laser engraver, I don't ever get to use it, but it's all done pretty much manually, and you're changing your direction, and then you can change some things and make it darker or lighter, or, a couple of different factors, make it fuzzier. But once you got it to where you want it, it'd be really hard to do it again on this letter, on this word. So let's bring this one a little bit closer. So the attribute eyedropper, go right up here to effects and have check drop shadow, and then click on your drop shadow and then go to your text so you see the faint bucket. Now this is going to take just a second because it's having to do a lot of thinking, a lot of working, but it's going to do a carbon copy of that drop shadow, the darkness, the angle, and everything. Anyway, I hope that was somewhat useful, and thank you for watching.